Ok, vamos a empezar. This is the activity number 2. This is activity number 2 of our lesson, number 2, health and the body. And we're gonna be working in this activity. And the part is that we're gonna watch a video. In this video, you are gonna pay attention in some details, because then you have to answer some questions about the video. Then we have a vocabulary. We have to know what is the vocabulary and what is it about. And then we're gonna write lesson number 1. How are you feeling? Okay, what is about your health, and so on. And then we have to answer to resolve the studied out some questions that you have to resolve. Work on it. That we have to option. We have to listen and complete this and go for it. It's an exercise that you have to do a conversation. Okay, thank you for your attention. I hope that you have at least 1 minute, okay? Déjame quitar eso. Qué lío esto. ¿Qué quieres poner?